Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, March 13, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 13, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 129 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 11.5 million pesos for March 13, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.